Welcome to GK class. Today we will learn some new facts of ISRO. Indian National Committee for Space Research INCOSPAR was set up by the Government of India in 1962. INCOSPAR set up the Thamba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station TERLS in Tiruvananthapuram. Indian Space Research Organization, also known as ISRO, was formed in 1969. Today, ISRO is one of the 6 largest space agencies in the world, and we all should be proud of it. The world of science is wonderful. Do you know that the scientists of ISRO work tirelessly to bring the name of India in the world of space research? Let's know more about ISRO. Before we start, we should know about Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. He is considered as the father of the Indian space program. He was instrumental in establishing the Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad. The establishment of ISRO was one of his greatest achievements, and that's why he is the first chairman of ISRO. Now you can easily tell who is the first chairman of ISRO. Yes, he is Vikram Sarabhai. Let's move to the next question. What is the first satellite built by ISRO? The name of this satellite is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is the first satellite built by ISRO, or you can say first Indian satellite. What is the full form of GSLV? It is Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. I repeat, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. With this launch vehicle, we were able to launch the satellites from India. Who is the present chairman of ISRO? Can you name him? His name is Dr. K. Sivan. When was Chandrayaan-1 launched? It was launched on 22nd October 2008 from Shri Harikota. Now the next question. Which is India's first satellite exclusively used for educational purpose? Yes, this satellite was used only for educational purpose, and that's why it is known as EduSat. The other name for this satellite is GSat-3, but most commonly known as EduSat only because it is used for educational purpose. The next question is, what is Chandrayaan-2 mission lander called? The Chandrayaan-2 mission's lander was known as Vikram. The last question of this chapter. What is Chandrayaan-2 mission's rover called? The Chandrayaan-2 mission's rover is known as Pragyan. What is the name of its rover? Its rover was Pragyan.